Welcome all to joining me for the UBC International MBA Program's introduction session. We are here based in Shanghai. It is a city very welcoming to talents of all backgrounds. It is also the economic heart of the country. Both schools are respected with equal standing in countries respectively. Many professors as well as leadership team within Chinese business schools has had PhD education at UBC with Sauder. The program has able to benefit one of the following categories. The first one would be those who have this inspiration. When they graduated, they have been clear that they wanted an international education. So this aspiration to study abroad. And the second one have been those who are progressing really well in their career. And one of the key things that they want to do in terms of blending in the knowledge and practice together is an MBA education. The cost of taking a career break would be not the best option for them at the time. And the third are those international talents, working with some of the multinational companies in China, in Shanghai, and hoping to be assured of getting a quality education. People who have lived abroad but returning to China because of prospect for a career, because of the status of growth for the economy, they have chosen to come back to China to work and to live. If the students start to work on the program, they will be studying during the weekend. You are able to apply what you have learned and gaining the practical knowledge from the case studies you have worked on, discussed with your colleagues, being able to apply those directly during your day back in work. One of the key features of the program is we have 2 weeks study in Vancouver, and that brings the Chinese student as well as the Vancouver-based students together. With the technology, we can bring in real in-person experience by being able to write on the board, showing the slides, and look at students to simulate that in-class learning experience. We also want to create that community experience for the cohort, and we connect them with past cohorts and alumni community by hosting events. We offer in-person career workshop. We curate an interactive in-person experience. We still look for people with common values who are willing to share and to help and make each other's experience better.